It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Good evening everyone. Welcome to my PyTech YouTube channel. This is my third video in this playlist. Today's topic is data types in Python. So let's start the data type in Python. So first of all, you have to know what's the data type. Data type represent the type of data present inside a variable. In Python, we are not required to specify the type of the equality. Based on these values provided, the types will be assigned automatically. Python is the dynamically typed language. There have the some built-in already inbuilt data types in there. So suppose I am typing some already the inbuilt data type in this notebook. So let's see. This is integer data type, float data type is there, complex data type is there, boolean, str for the string, bytes, byte array, range, list, tuple, set, tuple set, Poisson set, dictionary, and none. All are the data types. So now we will discuss the types. Okay. So what's the type? This is all this data types. So how to check that data types? So the complex number. Complex. What's the complex number? Already we know in the 9 to 10 class already have an idea. So suppose if you take one complex number and type A, if you check the type of these numbers, so this is the complex number, this is the real part, this is the imaginary part. So same way, if you check true or store the true in a variable A, and the type that is a type of A is the boolean. So same way you can also check for strs also. So this is the str, I mean string. So this is the string form. So same way you can check also the bytes, byte array, range, list, tuple sets, Poisson sets, dictionary, and none. So let's upcoming videos we'll discuss about the list, tuple, sets, and dictionary. And this is the most important part in our Python. So now we'll discuss the decimal binary conversions in Python on octal form. This is hexadecimal form already there, so we'll convert in easy way in this Python. So suppose if you store one value in variable A and check the binary form, binary value, so this is the binary value for this 13. Same way you can check for the octal form also. If you check OCT A, so this is the octal value of So this is the octal value of A. Same way you can check also the hexadecimal value of A. So this is the hexadecimal of this A. So now already we check the integer value, floating, complex, numbers, data type. We'll discuss already. So now we'll discuss about another things in the slicing. So why you can use the slicing? Slice means a spice. The operator, I mean, using these thirds brackets, the operator is the called the slicing operator, which can be the use the retrieve the path in the strings. So in Python, the strings following zero base index. The index can be either positive or negative. Positive index means forward directions from the left to right, and minus index means the backwards directions from the right to left. So we'll take one example and test the slicing is working or not. So suppose if you take one string, this, and another same value, suppose store in variable. Okay. So check this the type of this string. So data type is the string. Okay. So now we can slicing this string. Suppose if you used these commands, so you'll get. So if you want to skip the one value, so how to write the code? So this is the starting index, this is the stop, and this is the skipped value. So in this case we write the 2. So it will skip the only one value. So suppose this is my S values already there. So after this code, if you print this value, so value if you check the value for compares between the these two values, you have to know about already the slicing. First is the starting, second I mean parts is the stop, and to this number is the skipping. So skipping value, if you write the 2, I means, so it means it will skip the only one value. So let's check. So first of all, this is S. So similar way, this is pinned the S, and this is U. So U, it's not printed in this case. So they are skipped one value, and after the next index already V is there. So already same way it's pinned the V, and similar way same things it's working in this case. So there have A value is there, A is there in B after V. So A is not there, and then M already printed, and same way after the M this is blank. So blank value this remove, and then they are printed S. Similar way then print B and then print M. So this is the slicing parts. So I think slicing parts is already over. And suppose another thing is there. Suppose if you want to check the length of this string, or if you want to check the also the multiply of this the string. So in this case we'll get up to index number 4 because last value is 5. So let's check it is true or false. I mean, so this is right or wrong. So let's check index number 2. From index number 2, what is the value is there? 0, 1, 2. So V is there. Index number 3 and index number 4. So index number, so already I got so index up to index number 4. So it is right. Same way, if you want to skip the some value, so we can do also. And also another thing is that suppose if you not fix the starting index, so by default starting index in Python already fixed in 0 from 0. If you don't mention the starting index, check these examples. So I did not favorite any values in the this part. So already I got in the starting index I not provide any value. So by default this is working on starting the counting from 0 index. Same way stop value if you don't provide. So in this case also you'll got from index number 1, or suppose if you find from index number 4 to up to last. So this is working fine. If you want to skip the value, or suppose if you want to get S, U, M, then S, then V, then so in this case how to write this code? Suppose if you want, so in this case we'll skip 1. Suppose if you want to skip, suppose if you use this colon, so you can get the total length of this string. Okay, suppose, so this is the similar. It is if you type, if you print S, so you'll get the same. Okay, so now we'll slicing the string. Suppose if you want from 0 index to 4 index, so you'll get SUVAMA. So what, let's check. S, capital S, this is the index number 0, capital small u, this is the index number 1, B is the index number 2, A is the small a is the capital index number 3, and M is the index number 4. So we've already taken the 0 to 4, but we got already SUVA, because what actually happened in this case. So before the last index, I mean last value or stop value, so before the stop value up to before the stop value you will get the numbers or the string. Okay, so in this case we got the before index number 4 up to 3 index number, so we get the value 0, 1, 2, 3. So this same way if you want from index number 2 to 5, so 0, 1, 2, so index number 2 from index number 2, but in this case we'll get from up to. So today I discuss about the data types and the slicing parts also. So next class or next video we'll discuss the typecasting. So everyone, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, and also share my channel to, and please click the bell icon to get the upcoming videos notification. Thank you everyone.